What does the name McIntyre actually mean? It's WrestleMania weekend, I'm very excited, which means that this man, my hero and fellow GCU alum Drew McIntyre, is going to claymore Damian Priest into next week. But what about his surname? Well, if you are new here, as a reminder, the prefix Mac in Gaelic means son, so MacAllan is son of Alan. With McIntyre's origin, it's a bit different. First of all, you'll find a number of variations across the world, including McIntyre, McIntyre, McIntyre and McAteer, but they all come to us from Gaelic Mac in Tuair, which translates to son of the carpenter, Savurla. As the legend goes, Clan McIntyre began in the 12th century when a young man sabotaged the galley of the Viking King of Man by boring holes in the hull, filling them with wax, and then at sea, when the ship began to go under, appeared with wooden plugs to stop the leaks, but he would only hand them over if the king promised his own daughter's hand in marriage to the saboteur's uncle. They agreed, and this man was forever known as Carpenter, and his descendants were son of Carpenter. Mac in Tuair, in English, McIntyre. P.S. Triple H put the world title on Drew. Asavat.